Welcome to the Route 45 public meeting for the Farley Bridge replacement. We're here today to offer you a look at some plans and construction activities that we believe need to happen in order to replace this deteriorating structure. What's happening is that the Route 45 bridge near Farley is an older structure. So it was built in 1933. It means it's about 70 years old. It's a narrow bridge that requires a lot of repair and reconstruction from time to time. So we are looking at replacing the bridge in the near future. The current conditions of the Farley Bridge is that it is load posted for trucks over 17 tons and it requires ongoing and continuous maintenance from our forces. When that happens, that means that we delay traffic. There are over 4,000 cars a day that use this area, and every time we have to repair the bridge, then we generally shut down a lane of traffic, causing increased delays. So we believe that now is the time to repair and replace the bridge so that we can keep the roadway open to traffic. Our proposed solution is a 32-foot wide plate girder bridge. This will be similar to it will look similar to a bridge like the Heart of America Bridge or the Route HH Bridge that was just replaced in Platte County. Due to the nature of that type of bridge, the road is going to be higher. So the roadway surface and the top of the bridge deck that people drive on is going to be 8 foot higher than where people travel currently. This helps to minimize the effects of the high water running along the Platte River. The new bridge will be built just east of the existing bridge by about 70 feet. It will be 2 11-foot driving lanes and 2 5-foot shoulders. The 5-foot shoulders will allow for bikes and pedestrians to safely cross this longer bridge if in the future there is more bike activity or an expanded trail in this area of the Platte County. The proposed construction timeline is that we would begin on this construction on this bridge in the summer of 2011. It should take around 12 months to replace the bridge, which means that we would complete it in the summer of 2012. Because we are offsetting the bridge to the east, for the most of the time that the new bridge is being constructed, traffic will not be impacted. However, there will be a time of about 3 to 4 weeks at the very end of the construction where we will need to close Route 45 so that we can tie the new roadway alignment into the existing roadway. The existing bridge is a historical bridge, and this is an example of a multi-span long truss design. Though it's not well preserved, it is one of only 20 bridges remaining in the state of Missouri of this type, and it is the only bridge of this type to have 3 spans. Because it is so unique, it is eligible for the National Register of Historic Places for its engineering and for its historic integrity. In order to mitigate the adverse impacts of this project may have on the historic bridge, MoDOT will need to provide archival documentation to the State Historic Preservation Office for review. This documentation will also be available to local historic societies. And in addition, the bridge will be marketed and made available in case someone has a need to reuse a portion or all of the bridge. Please take some time, look at the plans, talk to the engineers, ask your questions, but most importantly, we want to know what your comments are regarding the proposed design and construction schedule, and also your concerns or comments regarding the historic significance of this bridge. So thank you again for taking your time to come to the public meeting. We truly want your comments and we'll take them into consideration.